Yes, YouTube, how are we doing? I had a very beautiful chat on, I think it was Tuesday, with one of my colleagues, Taba, and he requested that since my YouTube is all about me, how I'm documenting myself, my progress, and the rest. So he says to me, look, man, try also to communicate your thoughts. Can you see the psychology behind what you do? And I'm like, no, not a problem. That will be dealt with. I'm gonna do that. So I think this will be the first video of trying to see in terms of thinking, my thoughts and all that. Well, the beautiful thing is that I think maybe if I haven't said this before, I'm here to share raw content, the skill that I have, not only the skill but to also communicate the thoughts behind what we do and why do we do what we do. And yeah, I just hope that one day this community will grow. One day we will be good in terms of the technical side of trading, the psychological side of trading. So we'll just have conversations around different things, and I would appreciate if maybe you are able to watch these videos. Do give us a comment, suggest what you wanna know, and that will also push me to do more research and come and summarize the research in a video that will be less than 20 minutes. So it's gonna be very informative also for you. I think it's quite important that you, when in your comments, do suggest topics you want us to touch on. That will help me to grow and help you to grow, so we can become a very beautiful growing community. The idea is that few years down the line we'll look into this and say, look, this is how far we have come. So yeah, let's do this. So this is my notion. This is my notion. So I'll just jump straight into my trading journal. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Journal. I think I'll go to private. I think we're going into week 3, right? I think we're going into week 3. Yep. So yeah, let me put it here. So on Sunday, this is Sunday, then I'll go on Monday. On Monday, I'll go on Monday, if you know what I mean. So here's the thing. This is where I'll be documenting everything. Everything, it's gonna be documented here. So for example, I'd say my greatest thoughts today are not necessarily my greatest thoughts. I'll say that if I look into what has really happened to me today, when I came back from church, the first thing I wanted to do was to really look into what is it that we have next week. And after seeing what we have next week, I looked at my quarterly goals. My quarterly goals they are here on productivity. My quarterly goals, my weekly goals, just to give you maybe something. So this is my quarter, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So this year there are a whole lot of things everywhere. So yeah, I looked into my Q3 goals, and yeah, I looked at my weekly goals, then I went on my daily goals. That's when now this August 3. So yeah, so that's what really happened. I went into my quarterly goals. I didn't really look into much on my monthly. I jumped straight to my weekly, because my monthly, I've been reading them throughout, I've been adjusting them, and the rest, yeah. So yeah, basically that's that. So I would say that I'm just giving you an example as to maybe if you would be interested into knowing how to do this journaling thing on your Notion. I'm just gonna give a blunt example here. So I wrote my goals from Monday to Saturday. Then yeah, so that gave me the clarity of my week as to how I spend my time doing through. Okay, I'm not watching as I'm typing. Going through the week. This month, and the mind map to achieve that which I have envisioned. So I'm just here, I'm just doing something just to give you an example as to what we look into when we do this type of journaling. But here it's literally an example, because should you have this, you're gonna need to go into details, but I can't go into details here because those are my personal plans even if it's work, it's quite personal. I don't think maybe I might be able to share it. So maybe, for example, let's say you will be trading. You looked the overall uh, uh, trend. Just a minute. Trend on gold. Okay. On gold, I'm just giving you an example. Is bullish. Then maybe what you would do, maybe you'll be having your analysis. Okay. Maybe you'll be having your weekly analysis. Just a second, yeah. So maybe you'll be having your weekly analysis. This is maybe your weekly chart. Okay, why is it doing this? Because I thought I did cut it. Okay, there we go. Copy. Alright. Then this will be your weekly chart. You just paste it there. And give us an example and say maybe our weekly price have touched the overall I know most of you use support and resistance, or I'm gonna use the normal one. An overall support, and we have already seen a push to the upside that shows a break of structure. It will be not a change of character, a church. And then maybe here you press your daily. I'm giving you an example. Say daily has given us confirmation of our first order block order block mitigation. Our first order block mitigation, and also rallied to the upside, like that. Then you put your weekly, your 4-hour. Then you know that on Monday you only look into 4-hour, 15 and 1 minute, and the rest is history. So guys, this is basically what we actually do when we looking into this, trying to document your thoughts, trying to document your chats. But usually I don't do this on journaling, because if you check here, it's under journaling. It's under what you call it, journaling. So I usually put them here. I put them under trading journal, not journal. and I put them under trading journal, not journal. So yeah, if you want this type of template, do comment below this video, and I'll most definitely try to email it to you, and you can just plug it on your Notion, and yeah, the rest is history. So you guys, I hope we're gonna have a beautiful journey, and we are having a challenge, but I think I'll announce it in the first week of September. We're gonna have a challenge to grow a small account to a big account. So if you are interested in that, you can also engage. Then we will try to have a Telegram group. I'm not looking for many people, at least a minimum of 20, a minimum of 5, a max of 20. I need numbers that I can manage. We'll have a group, I think first week or second week. I'm gonna communicate it. First or second week of September, I'm gonna be running a challenge. We'll just fund your accounts, whichever broker that you're using, with at least 250 rands, and we will be in that group. We will try to raise it into 5 or 10k. So I'm hoping to see you there, and a blessed Sunday to all of you.